Okay, YouTube, this is your boy Mark for Loose Screws and Views, back again with another video. And today, I'm going to be doing a review of a Nooie baby cam, alright? Product for a company called Nooie. It's the Nooie baby cam, alright? Or baby monitor. But you know how we do. Before we get started, let's get all that business and politics out of the way. If you haven't already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, notification bell so you're notified new video. Tell a friend, and tell that friend, tell a friend about the channel, alright? And then go ahead and subscribe, alright? And stay tuned towards the end. I give you information on giveaways on the channel, alright? Alright, stay tuned towards the end. Hit the subscribe button, alright? Now we got all that business and politics out of the way. Let's get to the video. Alright, this is your boy Mark for Loose Screws and Views, back giving another video. And like I said, today I got a new product from a company called Nooie. I've reviewed several of their products, like their smart plugs and outlets and power strips. But today I'll be doing their baby cam. All right, it's called the Nooie. I'm put it up close so you can see it. It's called the Nooie Cam 360. All right, here's the box. Here's what it says on the box. Live with style and ease. You know, here's some stuff on the side of the box. Got 1080, some specs on it: 1080p, tilt and pan control, motion detection, two-way audio, cloud, or you can store your footage in the cloud or store it locally, or and it also has night vision. All right. And from what I'm reading, also on the page, that it works with Alexa. So that's a pretty cool feature. All right, let's see what's on the back of here. It tells you the model number, IPC100, input 5 volt. Not sure what that is. And capable with Android 4.0 and iOS. So basically, it's good with Apple and Android. It tells you where it's from, company. Alright, let's go ahead and open up this box. And then there's nothing special about the box, just a little information on here. You can see this because I know my lights are probably blinded. Let me get my boxing knife out. Got Rainbow Bright on deck. Alright, let's go ahead and get this out of the plastic. Hope everybody's having a good and blessed day. And I think I'm going to leave a link down in the description box down below to where you get it from, because if I'm not mistaken, right now, at the time of the video, filming the video, you can get it on Amazon for under 50 bucks. I think it's like $49.99, but I'm going to leave a link down in the description box below so you can go ahead and check it out for yourself. Like I say, I'm not an expert in all this stuff. I'm just a guy who loves tech, bringing you guys new tech so you can see stuff for yourself, alright? Alright, but I'm going to leave a link in the description box for the product. Let's go ahead and open up this box. I got the plastic off. And here's their website right here. Get closer where you can see that website is www.nooie.com. Let's see what we got in the box. Shout out to Nooie for sending this product review. Let's see, it's got your little cards in here. Put an instruction booklet. You want to hold on to that instruction booklet. You really want to hold on to when you're dealing with products like this. You always want to hold on to an instruction booklet. All right. Got some little stickers in here. Live life with ease. That's pretty cool. Nice little touch if you like stickers. Let's see what else comes in the box. Alright, this is to protect the camera. And let me put this Rainbow Bright to the side for a minute. Alright. Pull the camera out. Get out of the plastic. Nice packaging. Alright. I'm going to set the camera to the side for a moment and get the rest of the stuff out of the box. Let's see here. Come on, man. I ain't trying to go into beast mode and tear the box up, but got this stuff packed in here real good. That's a plus. Let's see what else is in the box. I know there's something else in the box. Don't want to tear up the box. Alright, finally got it out. Let's throw all this other stuff to the side right here, out of the way. Let's see what the accessories are in here. If I can get it out. The box is trolling me, alright? Alright, there we go. Got it inside, alright. Let's see what all we get. Let's empty this contents out. Get everything out of this box so I can... A lot of stuff in the box. Alright. Look, you got your power brick right here. Go ahead and I'll go ahead and tear it up out of the paper. You got your charging brick. Alright, that's pretty cool. Got a charging brick. A lot of stuff nowadays don't come with power bricks anymore, but that's pretty cool. Got your little power brick. Alright, and I'm guessing this is be the power cord. Let's see what type of cord let this be. Hopefully it's USB-C, but we're finna open it up and see. Let's see here what we got. I'm tearing up the power. I'm pulling it apart. Oh no, it's micro USB. Oh well, you know, no biggie. Put that to the side, and let's see what this is right here. This looks like this might be like a stand to put it on, so you can mount it somewhere. All right. Put that paper to the side. A little stand on here. It's right now. I just want to take everything out so you can see what all we got and what all we it comes in the packaging. All right, you have some mounting screws right here. Look, you got about let's see, 1, 2, 3. Got like 4 screws and some anchors in here, so that's cool. So if you want to mount it somewhere, or whatever, if you want to mount it on the wall, or whatever, you could do that. Or like I said, you know, well, you don't really have to. You can have it sitting up like this. All right. Let me give you a close up of the camera. The camera looks very nice, and it feels very premium. It's got like you see on the back, it's real faint. It has the let me get it darker. Let me get it darker right there. Where you get a shot of where you can see it's got the little Nooie branding right here. There you go. Got the little Nooie branding right here, and this is where your charging slot, where you put your like a USB cable in here. On the front, you got the camera right here. As you can see, this is one of them type of cameras you could tilt up and down and go 360. Has a little LED right here to let you know everything is on. Has a little speaker on the side. That might be the microphone. You know what? That might be the microphone. But here's a speaker on the side. And let's look on the bottom. And this is where you would go ahead and put the mounting bracket. If you want to use a mounting bracket, you know, it's up to you. You don't have to if you don't want to. Trying to see how to put it in here, because I don't want to break it, because this is a nice camera. This is a nice camera, so I'm guessing you slide it in like so, and bam, and so your wire can hang out right here. There's a little groove for cable management, so for your cable could fit just like that. So make sure I get it stuck. Yeah, it's stuck in there. So bam, you have it like that, but just without the other way around. Put the little charging, put it in there, bam. That's pretty cool. That's pretty cool. So if you wanted to mount it somewhere, that's cool. So let me get this apart, take this apart, because I'm going to go ahead and get it set up. But overall, this is a nice premium feeling camera, and it got a little weight to it. So yeah, you ain't got to worry about, you know, too much damage. But I wouldn't be playing with it, whatever. But look, it looks pretty nice, and I'm gonna go ahead and change to a different angle, so we can go ahead and I can show you. I can go ahead and set it up and show you how it looks. All right, hold tight. Okay, here is the Nooie Cam set up on a different angle. I already went into the app to set it up. Here is the Nooie app right here. I'm trying it from a different angle, hard doing it by myself here. But here is the app that you want to download right here. Is the Nooie app. So I'm going to go ahead and click in there. All right, and this will bring you to the Nooie app homepage, and then down here at the bottom, you go ahead and click camera, because right here is the main page where you got all your smart plugs and all that stuff at. And then you go ahead and hit camera. So I'm going to hit camera. All right, because I've already set it up, but it's easy to set up. So if you want to go set it up, let me bring this back up here. If you want to set it up, try to get that glare from the camera, you go ahead and hit this add button. As you'll see here, I'm trying to get it out to where you guys can see it better. And you'll go ahead and find the camera you want to add. You click on there, and then you follow the instructions from there. It's pretty much self-explanatory. It'll walk you through step by step on how to set up the camera. So you know, it's easy to do. So what I'm going to do here, I just wanted to show you that real easy, real quick. Now that was the Nooie this is the Nooie app, and this is the how the page looks, and this is how the camera part looks. All right, but what I'm going to do is go set this camera up in a different location, and then come back and show you from right here of how it looks. All right, hold tight. Okay, I got my Nooie cam set out here, set up in the garage. I'm not really sure exactly where I'm going to leave it, but for right now, for the video purposes, I got it set up in the garage. I'm going to bring it around so you can see the front of it. I have it like on a speaker stand. I'm not sure if that's where I'm going to keep it at, but I just, for the demonstration of the video, I just wanted to set it up out here so you guys can see how it's looking. It has to be plugged up into an electrical outlet, so that's kind of going to kind of make it only for a certain amount of places I can put it, because it got to be close to an outlet. Well, you could also run like an extension cord, because I have an extension cord running to it. So for right now, I'm gonna put it out here, and then let's go inside and look on my tablet and see how you can control it, and see how clear the picture is. Now, mind you, the router is like way on the one other side of the building. So it's still able to connect, and you still can get footage. It has a long range of footage. So, all right, hold tight, and we'll go back and show you inside and how it looks. Okay, we're back in the studio now. As you can see, how here's the footage of the camera on my iPad. So also on the footage, on the screen, all you have to do is, you see it's a little slight delay, but all you have to do is touch the screen to turn it around, to turn it. Also, you can see it has a good clear picture quality. If I wanted to enhance it a little bit, I could blow it up like that, or pick a part of the screen and it comes, double tap, and it comes right back out. Or like I said, you can move it around 360. I'm not going to move it around all the way 360. The garage is still a little junky, but you get the gist of it. You can move it up. You see, scroll it back up. See, you move it up, scroll it back over. Like I say, it's a slight delay, but as far as picture quality, sound quality, as you can hear, it'd be real quiet. You can hear the birds. So you can hear the birds out there chirping. I should have had some music or something playing outside to test the sound quality, but you get the gist of it. Like I said, this is cool that you can blow it out, get close up. So whatever you looking at outside, move it around like that, whatever. It tells you the date and time stamp right here of when you're doing it, what you're looking at. Also, you can either save it to the cloud, or you can save it to a micro SD card. All right. All right, let's come out of here, and so I can give you a summary of what I think about the Nooie 360 cam. All right. All right, we're back in the studio. Got the camera back in the studio. Like I said, my overall opinions on this Nooie 360 cam, aka baby monitor, but you could use it for security, what have you. My opinion is, I think this is a pretty good buy. Basically, for a fraction of the price you pay for more expensive cameras, you get a good product, clear footage, as you saw, as I had it out in the garage, what have you. It has two-way talking, where people could talk to you, and you can hear the people on the other end. It moves around 360, so you can move it around on the screen, as I showed you earlier. Also, it has a good Wi-Fi range. It has a range, so like I had it on the other side of the other house, and it still was able to pick up the Wi-Fi signal with no problem. So that's a plus. Also, like I said, I mean, it's a small little camera, very durable, nice and stylish. Like I said, there's really there's really no cons on here I can see about this security camera, because for the price, like If I'm not mistaken, the price is $49.99 on Amazon, which I'm gonna leave a link down in the description box below where you can find it, so you can check it. If anything that I left out, you can check it out for yourself. But overall, I'm pretty satisfied with it. This is a decent pickup for the price on $49. Like I said, you can also you can either choose to pay for cloud storage. If I'm not mistaken, you could get cloud storage, or you could just do under here, which I forgot to show you earlier. Let me go ahead and pull the camera back up, and up under here, I don't know if you can see it, there is a slot for a micro SD card, so you can save it on there and not have to worry about you won't have to worry about paying for storage. So that's a plus too. So if you're in the market for a baby monitor / security camera for inside your house, I will greatly recommend this Nooie 360 baby cam. Here's a picture of the box so you can see it. And on the top of the box, my camera light is, my ring light is too bright, but yeah, this is what the box looks like. And like I say, I will leave a link to where you can get this product in the description box below. So go ahead and subscribe and all that good stuff while you're down there as well. All right. Like I said, I'm not no expert in any of this stuff. I'm just a guy that loves tech. And this is a good product. Shout out to Nooie for sending this product out for me. Just like all opinions expressed in the video are my own, and this is how I feel about it. Like I said, it's a decent product, and this is not the first product that I have from Nooie. I have the smart plugs. Also, I'll leave a link to the video I did on the their smart power surge protector, smart strip or whatever. I'll leave a link to that so you can check out that video too. But they make some awesome products, good durable quality products, so you won't be disappointed, you know. So yeah, I'll leave a link to that below. So appreciate it. This video has been a long time coming. It's been a lot going on right now, so it's been a long time to get this video out. But I appreciate you guys taking out time to check out the video. And if you haven't done so already, go ahead and hit that like, subscribe, notification bell so you'll be notified of new videos. Tell a friend, and once I get to the 2,000 subscriber mark, I'll be doing giveaways of some of the products that I review right here on the channel. Alright? Alright. And tell a friend. Go ahead and hit the subscribe button. Go ahead and subscribe button. And like I always say, treat people how you want to be treated. Treat people better than you want to be treated. Alright? And the message for today is, let me see. I'm drawing a blank right now, but the message for today is be kind. It doesn't cost you anything. It's not hard. Just message for today is be kind. Be kind to one another. That's the message for today. Alright? This has been your boy Mark from Loose Screws and Views. Drop the mic, and I'm out. Peace.